Yeah, hello and welcome back to another episode of Mini Daly. And yes, you do join me for my sitting room because there was so much excitement today I forgot to record an intro. So today's episode, what we're going to be doing is we are going to be swapping the Morris with the Golf, and we are going to put the Morris up on its side to have proper look underneath it, and we'll make a game plan from there. It's a short video, we're just updating you all. Thanks for watching. Please remember to hit the like, comment, subscribe, share it amongst your friends. So as I said, it is a big day, so the light is terrible in here. So what we're going to do is going to swap the Golf with the Morris and see how it goes. Right, as you can see, the Morris is now down in the shed where the Golf was. It's the easiest way of getting it to get over onto its side. So what we'll do is drain the engine oil and we should be good to go from there. Yeah, we'll see how this rollover jig comes on as well. It'll be a lot handier, it'll be a lot quicker welding underneath than lying on your back. Right, so the rollover jig is under it. As you're saying, I've never seen this done before. The owner of the car is behind me and he's after showing me how to set it up. So what we're going to do now is we're going to jack it up and put it on its side. I'm not going to film it, but we're going to film how bad it is underneath. Right, so the car is up on its side and we have a load of panels here to go into it. It's not as bad as I thought. As you can see, it is solid there. It's gone at the jacking point here and the inner sill. Them panels are rattling around on the floor. That's for them. And you can see the front of the chassis is gone here. That's that section there. So it'll be a matter of, plan is just to wire brush off the hole underneath of it, and that way we can see where we are, go poking around with the screwdriver. Luckily enough, the spring hanger is okay. Here there's a small bit of a hole down there, but we'll go investigating. And what else is, I know it's the inner chassis section that's gone at the back there at the hanger for the leaf spring, but it seems to be okay this side. But as I said, a wire brush will tell a hell of a lot with this. So that's it up on its side. As you can see, it took 3 of us to lift it over, but it wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. So join us in the next one where we'll get some progress on this and get it all wire brushed.